Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what do we have here today? Well, we got this GMC, and this is the AT4. And then I believe this one is comes with a nice little lift right from the factory. Now, this customer said, you know what, the factory lift is nice, but that's just a little bit more. So we got a MotoFab 2-inch level kit added to this. As you see, there's a lot more room in here now. I don't know if, John, you can get a nice pull back. Let me get out of the way here so you can really see what this MotoFab looks like here. And basically, it's going to give you a lot more room in there. Now, as you know, a leveling kit is just lifting the front of the vehicle to match the height of the rear of the vehicle. A lot of people don't realize trucks sit at an angle. That means the back sits higher than the front. So this basically levels it out. That's why they call it a level kit. So now she's nice and leveled and stuff, and it gives it a nice look. Now, what's nice about a leveling kit, you're really not changing out the suspension. It's all basically the same suspension, so it's going to ride the same. It just brings this up a little bit more, a little better clearance. And you know, being an AT4, I mean, this has got a little height to it. I was trying to get in here. I was like, this thing's not the lowest thing in the world. So getting out could be a little harder. So he's probably going to need some running boards. Again, we can do this for you. You know, we sold the kit here. You know, we do have a lot of brands. MotoFab. I know John loves MotoFab, right? Yep. So a great product. Again, we can ship it to you, and you can do it yourself, or you can come here and we have it installed for you. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. Oh, like and subscribe. Thank you.